Oh, dude. Man, this place has been so whack recently. All those new menu items. Yeah, I joke. And I'm not sure Jackson gave my yeah. Don't know, man. So bogus.
So bogus.
So bogus, dude. I mean, hey, bro. At least we're getting paid, bro.
Hey, bro.
Oh, bro. Here comes Boss. Alright, bye.
What do we have here? A croissant? What do you order?
Well, man, you see, ever since, we've been supposed to be making this green meat stuff, me and my bro, we've been, cooking up some ideas ever since the menu's been so whack. Have you ever heard of, fusion?
Oh, fusion. Fusion of brains, fusion of classical jazz and rock, fusion of atoms.
No, dude, culture fusion. Me and my bro, we saw this video of this rock star. He was so sick. He had this idea of putting a taco and pasta, putting it together, and he ate it, and he was like, yo, that's the most wizard thing I ever tried.
Oh, so we make a Caesar salad with meat? Oui?
Nah, that'd be bogus, bro.
So bogus.
It'd be bogus, man. We're a cafe. We gotta take French food and combine that with stuff. Except we don't have half a clue what to do yet.
Well, garçon, I leave you to it. Do not waste any time.
Hey, bro. Smell these snails. Oh, man, bro. Those are awful.
I don't even know what should we do with these snails.
What if we could do what we do with the old meat, bro? We could fry them, toss them in with the taters. Nobody will know.
Devious, bro.
So devious. Hey, bro. Give me the alien. I got it.
I present to you animal fries.
Yo. Dude, slugs aren't animals.
That's okay, bro. I believe in you.